Hello and welcome. This is Chef Walter's Cooking School, and tonight we have the pleasure of cooking with the company
Wadovick and Company.
And where are you located?
Located in West Warwick, Rhode Island.
And you specialize in?
We do taxes, auditing, and business services.
Excellent. So Wadovick, right?
Wadovick, yes.
Wadovick. Okay. Well, easy for you to say. This is some of the teammates that helped me put together. I thought it was a pretty good meal. What did you guys think?
It was great.
Fantastic. Good job on the beats.
Thank you.
Lovely lady.
It was amazing.
Very nice. Let's move on to this other table. This must be the... Hi.
Hello.
Did you have a good dinner? What did you enjoy
Excellent.
making? Anything that you
My
remember?
plate is empty.
All right. About you? What did you remember making? Anything that stuck out tonight that was...
I made the egg. Well, I started the egg first.
Right. Anything that you learned, you know?
That I liked? I liked
No, that you learned. One thing
Oh,
that
that
you
I
remember.
learned?
One thing.
not to use balsamic on fresh cheese.
I know, that's pretty good. Thank you. It's very nice. Thanks, Ben. Ben was also very helpful with making this sauce. We have one guy missing it. Where is he? Let me see. Oh, we have the bartender and the boss. There
Okay,
we
so
go.
what I learned was how to check your meat, which you got to put your thumb together, and it's really soft. It's rare. If you tighten it up a little bit more, it's medium, and if it's really tight, it's well done. I
Excellent.
only learned that from Chef Walter.
Wow, thank you. That was one of the old tricks in the 70s. We used to use that. Today they use thermometer. But I wanted to thank you. Of course, after Monday is the Epiphany. So happy Epiphany for Italians is a big holiday. We thank you. Happy New Year. Prosperous, big in business and health. All right.
Here, here.
And that's to the end. And that's the end of tonight's class. And with this lovely group, an accounting firm from Warwick, Wadovick. On next time. Ciao, ciao.